Look us up on our YouTube, the Stewart-Cox family.
Okay, go follow them.
Yeah, yeah. Subscribe. Y'all be on there. Subscribe.
Hamburger sizzling hot. Hamburger sizzling
I'm finna go
hot.
ham.
Hamburger sizzling hot. Hamburger
I'm
sizzling
finna go.
hot.
Yo, what they do, Stewart-Cox family gang.
Yo.
So we here at day 3. Doing the brunch. It's gonna be the farewell brunch.
Use my nails.
Yeah, so she's gonna do the farewell brunch. We're gonna be in here, eating, greeting, eating, saying farewell to all those that we know, until next time. So like I said, we just chilling. Look at that setup here. So they got the setup, just waiting for them to get, everything prepared, get the breakfast so we can get it in. As you see my face, look sleepy is Methuselah. Tired. As y'all see from the day 2, we turned up at the pool party, so we didn't get into late. So we still kind of like sleeping.
Back to reality.
Yeah. Taking me back to reality. So, what do you want to say to the people?
Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for our subscribers, supporters. We hit that 5K. Thank you.
5K.
5K.
Yeah. So, like I said, we're trying to get a little footage in there. Don't want to really crowd anybody's space or privacy, but we're gonna try to get a little footage in there. Maybe have a little music in there. Want to see. We don't want it to affect no copyrights on it. But we're gonna try to see if, like I said, if we can get a little footage in there or whatnot. So be back with y'all a little bit. Y'all know what time it is. Yo. people what they do. So, we had a long, good day. That's day 3. We wrapping this thing up. Just got through Mikasa, coming straight from Fort Lauderdale. They say Fort Lauderdale, say Fort Lauderdale. So, like I said, that
From the Hyatt.
yeah,
Hyatt.
Hyatt. Oh, last, I don't know. What's little last? I don't know how to say it, but from the Hyatt, the Hyatt Centric up in Fort Lauderdale. We just came from there, whatever. And we had the crib. You know what I'm saying? It was a nice 3 days: Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 3-day event. Like I said, the first day we had the masquerade. The second day was the pool party, and the third day was meet and greet, family, friends. Playing games, enjoying, just catching up with those that you know.
And we tried to get as much footage as possible, but of course, as you guys know, we're around other people, and we have to be respectful of other people being on social media. And because it was a pool party.
Yeah, and not only that too, they had a lot of music, copyright music, so we got to be careful with that, with the music, copyright wise. But other than that, it was good. It was good. Can't complain. We showed up and showed
out. So we hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, because we enjoyed ourselves. And as you can see, me and your boy D, we tired.
Yeah, I'm tired. You feel me? So on that note, like we say, thank you for riding with us, sliding with us, vibing with us. On that note, peace.